Is it time to buy or sell Qualcomm stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Qualcomm. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the first day of November, in the year 2024, our system has categorized Qualcomm as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.72. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, achieving a gain of 4.67%. This equates to an average return of 1.17% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, indicating that further movements within this range can be anticipated. The prevailing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 1.21% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 6.60% to positive 4.50%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 24% over the coming year, with potential returns between 17.21% and 76.08%. This corresponds to a price range of $202.77 to $304.60 after a year. Our latest daily update for Qualcomm includes the headline: Qualcomm stock price up 4.27% on Wednesday. The Qualcomm stock price gained 4.27% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, rising from $165.91 to $172.99. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.8%, reaching a low of $168.67 and a high of $178.45. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 3.84% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which indicates a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 13 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $2.32 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $230.63, while the lowest was $119.15. Currently, the price is 24.99%, or $57.64, below the 52-week high of $230.63, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Qualcomm experienced a significant increase in its stock price, rising by over 8% today after the company provided optimistic guidance for the first quarter, exceeding Wall Street expectations. This rebound is attributed to a revival in the smartphone market and the introduction of new handsets from China, signaling a strong recovery and growth potential in a sector that had been struggling. In its full-year results, Qualcomm reported a remarkable 9% revenue increase to $39 billion and a 40% surge in net income to $10.1 billion, demonstrating solid progress in diversifying beyond mobile chips into the home PC market. These results position Qualcomm favorably in an increasingly competitive semiconductor landscape. Additionally, the company showcased a strong performance in the fourth quarter with revenues of $10.24 billion and adjusted earnings per share of $2.69, both surpassing expectations. Qualcomm also announced a $15 billion share buyback program, a strategy likely to enhance shareholder confidence and increase stock value in the medium to long term. The company's strategic expansion into artificial intelligence and high-performance computing reflects its commitment to engaging with emerging technologies. As Qualcomm adapts to the evolving market dynamics, this growth trajectory could sustain investor interest and contribute to stock appreciation in the future. Overall, today's developments signal a promising outlook for Qualcomm, offering potential long-term value for investors. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned QCOM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned QCOM a neutral grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned QCOM a buy grade with a hold action. Also on that day, KeyBank assigned QCOM a sector weight grade with a downgrade action. Earlier, on the 17th of September, 2024, Wells Fargo again assigned QCOM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Qualcomm stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Qualcomm. The Qualcomm stock exhibits buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In the event of a downward correction, support is expected at levels $167.96 and $169.47. A drop below either of these points will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 31st of October, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 6.28%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume is rising alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical signal. However, some negative indicators have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal stemming from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, the stock received a golden star signal in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a specific configuration. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 76 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 67 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Qualcomm. Qualcomm has established support at $169.49, a level that may present a buying opportunity, as we might observe an upward reaction when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences robust trading volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $9.78, which is a 5.80% change from its high to low. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock was 3.14%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Qualcomm, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio. commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal and is often found in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of the year, 2024, is anticipated on January 29, 2025. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Qualcomm. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Qualcomm is at $173.34. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Qualcomm encounters its first support level at $169.49. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Qualcomm from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of November, 2024, Chaplin ANC made an insider purchase of 5,812 shares of common stock. On the same day, Chaplin ANC also conducted an insider sale of 2,010 shares of common stock. On the 4th of November, 2024, Chaplin ANC sold 1,901 shares of common stock. On the 1st of November, 2024, Chaplin ANC sold 58,122,304 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 31st of October, 2024, Martin Neal purchased 4,988 shares of restricted stock unit. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power appears to be positive, with a ratio of 10.845. In summary, insiders acquired 205,898 shares and disposed of 182,150 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $166.14, which reflects a decrease of 3.96%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, contributing to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom observed 4 days ago. Is Qualcomm stock a good buy? Qualcomm presents several positive indicators. However, these alone do not warrant a recommendation to buy. At this point, it is advisable to consider it as a hold candidate, meaning to hold the current position or accumulate more shares while awaiting further developments. Upon analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of November, we anticipate Qualcomm will open up 38 cents and begin trading at $173.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.